Explore the top camping chairs designed for maximum comfort and durability. These best-in-class camping chairs offer robust construction with heavy-duty frames and high-quality materials, ensuring reliable support for any outdoor adventure. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best camping chairs you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The CLIQ portable chair stands out as a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts, ranking as the 5th best camping chair on the market. This chair is designed to be remarkably compact, folding down to about the size of a standard bottle, making it incredibly easy to transport. Its setup time is equally impressive, ready for use in just 5 seconds, thanks to its clever design that ensures stability on various surfaces. Weighing only 3.64 pounds, the CLIQ chair is both lightweight and durable. Its frame is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, providing robust support without adding excess weight. The seat is made of high-strength ripstop ballistic nylon, reinforced with double seams for added longevity. This combination allows the chair to support up to 300 pounds, ensuring reliable performance across different uses. Perfect for a wide range of activities, the CLIQ chair is versatile enough for lawn lounging, barbecues, picnics, beach outings, backpacking, and concerts. Its practicality and ease of use make it an essential piece of outdoor gear, promising comfort and durability in any setting. The KingCamp double camping chair stands out as an ideal choice for couples and families seeking comfort and convenience in outdoor seating. Designed for 2, this rectangular chair boasts a robust alloy steel frame and can support up to 440 pounds, making it a reliable option for various activities. Its oversized design ensures ample space for both individuals, while the extra padding provides a plush seating experience, perfect for camping trips, beach outings, or backyard relaxation. The chair's unique features include 2 wine glass holders and 2 cup holders, allowing for a touch of sophistication and convenience during outdoor gatherings. These holders securely accommodate wine glasses, champagne flutes, or any other stemmed drinks, making it easier to enjoy a romantic evening or a casual hangout. Weighing just 13.4 pounds and with a compact folded size of 36.2 by 9.5 by 6.7 inches, the chair is highly portable and fits comfortably in most car trunks. The durable 600D Oxford fabric combined with the breathable mesh design ensures optimal comfort, while the heavy-duty steel frame provides lasting support. Perfect for couples looking to relax together, the KingCamp Double camping chair enhances any outdoor experience with its thoughtful design and practical features. The BOTE Aero Inflatable Beach Camping Chair is a groundbreaking addition to outdoor seating. Redefining portability and comfort, this chair combines innovative design with practical functionality. Its patent-pending inflatable technology allows it to transform from a compact, deflated state into a full-sized, supportive seat in seconds. Perfect for beach outings, boat rides, tailgates, or relaxing on the deck, the Aero chair is designed to sit low to the ground, offering optimal comfort and stability. Constructed with Aerotech, a military-grade PVC material, the Aero chair boasts exceptional durability and resilience against rough conditions. Its inner core is reinforced with thousands of composite fibers, providing robust rigidity and support while maintaining a lightweight profile. Inflating and deflating the chair is a breeze. Simply unsnap the buckle, unroll the chair, connect the pump hose, and inflate to the recommended 7 to 10 psi. When deflated, it folds into a compact size for easy storage and transport. Ideal for beach days, bonfires, and camping trips, the Aero chair's sturdy construction ensures it remains stable on various terrains, enhancing your outdoor experiences. The GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair, ranked as the #2 best camping chair, epitomizes convenience and comfort in outdoor seating. Crafted with a durable alloy steel frame and lightweight polyester, this chair supports up to 250 pounds while remaining portable at just 12 pounds. Its innovative design features the patented spring action rocking technology, allowing a smooth rocking motion on any terrain, be it flat, hard, or soft surfaces. The mesh seat enhances airflow, keeping you cool during extended periods of relaxation. Ideal for various outdoor activities, from camping trips to sports events and backyard gatherings, this rocker ensures that you stay comfortable with its solid armrests and built-in beverage holder for easy access to refreshments. The chair's easy fold technology enables swift setup and takedown. Simply pull out and fold down the seat frame to get started, or pack it away with a quick lift of the closure handle. Whether you're unwinding by the campfire or cheering from the sidelines, the GCI Outdoor Rocker provides a front row seat to relaxation and enjoyment. The Mission Mountain CinchLock Pro stands out as the top choice in camping chairs, with its blend of innovation and durability. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, this chair is remarkably lightweight, thanks to its aircraft-grade 16mm aluminum frame. The upgraded CinchLock Pro system simplifies setup with its intuitive one-lock mechanism. A gentle push and click secure the frame in place, making assembly and disassembly straightforward. Crafted from 600D Oxford fabric and nylon mesh, the chair is designed for resilience and comfort. Its unique, spherical, silicone anti-sinking feet provide stability on diverse terrains, ensuring that you won't sink into soft surfaces. The 23% thicker aluminum tube walls and sturdy triangular structure enhance durability. With a compact fold size of 15 by 5.9 by 5.5 inches, it's easy to carry and fits comfortably in your gear. The contoured butterfly-shaped seat, measuring 21.7 by 20.9 by 26.8 inches, offers exceptional support and breathability, while the moon-shaped seating area adds extra comfort. Equipped with a side cup holder and storage pocket and backed by rigorous lab testing, the Mission Mountain CinchLock Pro promises a superior outdoor relaxation experience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.